Do you want to lock your iPhone gallery with facial recognition? Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. You could just go ahead and hold right here the photos, and then basically go ahead and click require Face ID. And basically requiring Face ID for the photos will give you the privacy that you need for not letting any people have access to your photos. And here it says this app will require Face ID or your passcode to open or show content in other apps. App content will not appear in notification previews or spotlight. If you want to do it, you can just go ahead and click require Face ID. And if you want to pin down the hidden apps on your iPhone, if they are disappeared from your home screen, go ahead and swipe left until you see the app library. Scroll a little bit down and you're gonna see the hidden right here. Go ahead and confirm via facial recognition, and you're gonna see the apps that you already hidden in your library. So let's move on the comments of this video. Hope you don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you.